Very warm welcome to one and all present here. Respected Principal Ma'am, Miss Manisha Antwal, respected Headmistress, Miss Rashmi Rafi, respected teachers and my fellow dipsites to the 21st Founders Day celebration. Alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. This simple yet deep thought was established by our founder members who started this prodigious journey 21 years back on 30th of July 2000. Our founders have spent the best part of their lives for the service in our school. This school has left its mark in every sphere of activity, whether it be academics, sports or co-curricular activities. The wonderful persistent board results and the glory of having top ranking students, artists and sportsmen at the city and regional level with their determined attitude to be the best speak volume about the school. What are your thoughts on this, Ajia, isn't it?
Indeed, Parth, this institution has been imperishable for the past 21 years, with the respective faculties working in unison. Founders Day have always been the focal point of concern every year, especially in the view of this ongoing pandemic. This establishment has been static and is delivering top results in all fields. Now, to begin with our celebrations of this special day, I would like to call our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Miss Manisha Antwal, to share her thoughts about the school's Founders Day.
It is a great pleasure for all of us at DPS LDECO to celebrate the Founders Day. Looking back at the journey since inception, school has grown from strength to strength and created a benchmark in the education sector. Journey has been extremely delightful. Heartiest congratulations to all stakeholders associated with the school. May we scale greater heights in the years to come. Happy Founders Day to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for enlightening us with your thoughts.
I feel that a poet is the channel of expressing the range of emotions in one's heart. Please welcome Seerath Kaur of Class 8C to present her poem.
Everyone, and happy Founders Day to all. Over 20 years have passed since our founders accepted the task of keeping this pulsing spirit alive and creating DPS LDECO. By committing themselves to leading the way, how could they have known that day what an impact they would make as they rallied together for our children and our school's sake. Education was the issue they wanted addressed. To raise the opportunities for our children, our founders will ask for nothing less. Our children can't wait for tomorrow was the message delivered that day, encouraging us to speak with one voice for the future will all of them lay. Promoting the education of children and school spirit was the dream that lighted their way. Our founders believed that the future secure was the place where a difference was made. As we look at all they have accomplished and how they have inspired us all, we know that forever our lives were touched by those who answered the call. Our mentors. We honor you on this special day and recommend you the future today. Thank you.
Thank you, Seerath, for such a lovely and mesmerizing poem.
So, let's create some happy moments and add up to our unforgettable memories and surround ourselves with joy. Over to you, Arjia.
बूंद बूंद मिलके बनी लहर और लहर, लहर लहर मिलके बनी सागर, वो बनी सागर, वो बनी सागर। दूर पास तेरी दया मिलती निरंतर, भरते रहे अपने मन की गागर, वो मन की गागर, वो मन की गागर। हमें दिया जो भगवान से पाया, दिया हमें एक नए मन का उजाला। तूने ही सिखलाई हमें प्यार की सेवा, जब भी कहीं गिरने लगे तूने संभाला। ओ सर्वधर्म समन्वयम समन्वयम समन्वयम, ओ हो। बूंद बूंद मिल के बने लहर और लहर, लहर लहर मिल के बने सागर, वो बने सागर, वो बने सागर। दूर पास तेरी दया मिलती निरंतर, भरते रहे अपने मन की गागर, वो मन की गागर, वो मन की गागर।
Wow, that was a really enthralling performance and the choreography was beautiful.
I believe it is music that gives a musician the direction to express and present his souls of emotions. With that, please welcome our school teachers and students with a beautiful song.
Founders Day, it's the Founders Day. BBS celebrates today. Journey since 2000, we celebrate today. Founders Day, it's the Founders Day. BBS celebrates today. Journey since 2000, we celebrate today. First we love our school, now it's time to celebrate this joy. Founders Day, it's the Founders Day. Celebrate our journey today. Founders Day, it's the Founders Day. We're thankful and grateful each day. We are thankful and grateful each day. We are thankful and grateful each day.
Thank you, teachers. That was indeed wonderful.
Life does not require you to be the best, rather, it requires you to always try your best. So, before we come to the conclusion of this celebration, we have some inputs by the senior students and the proud parents of some pre primary and primary wings.
I am Aksata Nimish. I study in nursery C. My mommy is here.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Nimsha Budhwar. I got the admission of Ipsita done in early 2020, just before this pandemic arrived, and I've been witnessing the staff and the teachers of TPS LDCO that how hard they are trying to convey the correct things in a correct manner to the kids as small as my daughter, and they are doing a tremendous effort. They are putting the tremendous effort, and I really appreciate all the hard work that the teachers of TPS LDCO are doing to make sure that our kids are not missing on any of the important things in their curriculum. And I wish TPS LDCO and all the teachers over there very good luck, good fortune on this Founders Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Monica Singh, mother of Manvik Singh, class Prep B. First of all, hearty congratulations to the entire DPS LDCO clan for the completion of another noteworthy year. I believe my son is in one of the finest schools in the city.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Alka Rawal, mother of Anay Rawal, and he is a student of class 1A. So as we all know that COVID-19 pandemic has caused a major disruption in our life, and my son is also affected with the closure of school. But in order to provide a sense of continuity and stability to kids during this unpredictable time, the team DPS Aldico Lucknow left no stone unturned in exploring new avenues of learning.
Good morning. I want to take this opportunity to thank all the teachers, coordinators and principal ma'am of DPS Aldico for making study possible at home and giving the children a wonderful experience during this pandemic situation. I have witnessed the untiring efforts and constant hard work that our teachers have put in. At the same time, they kept on updating themselves with a new mode of learning. DPS Aldico has always outshined in academics and co-curricular activities when the things were very normal, and they could maintain the high standards of the same at such difficult times. So I congratulate the whole team of DPS. My good wishes, and I'm so lucky to be part of DPS. Thank you so much.
I, Tejas Kashyap, have been a part of this wonderful institution for about 8 years now. This institution has molded me into a confident boy who is disciplined with high moral values. This school not only supported me academically, but they also took interest in my extracurricular activities. I enjoyed a lot in learning many new things. The teachers are very kind and cleared all the doubts I had. Our school provides education in more understandable way. We are provided more practical exposure in learning so that it is easy to learn. I am very grateful to all the teachers who have helped me to perform well and to be what I am today. I thank to the endless support of respected Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, management and all the teachers. Thank you Delhi Public School for all your love and support.
Everyone, I am Neelvani Bharadwaj, head girl, junior council studying in grade 5. I am here to talk about my school journey till now. I have been in this school from prep. It has been 5 long years. Memories have been part and parcel of my life, much like everyone else. I remember the warm welcome received when I first started the school. The confidence and the motivation the school gave me. I couldn't get anywhere else. I started by learning the alphabets and now can solve difficult equations. My school helped me learn about the things which were first mysterious to me. It helped me gain knowledge and excel in studies, and I feel very happy and proud to be DPS.
A very good morning to respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I am Shortason of 9A and today I am here to throw light on the achievements and great milestones of my school, DPS Aldico. Our school's motto, service before self, goes far beyond the boundaries of classroom teaching, which by itself is par excellence. DPS Aldico develops the mentality of the students, providing a safe and supportive environment for the all-round development of each and every student. The various activities that are facilitated by the school bring out the unique talent hidden in each one of us. The teachers are the guiding lights who hone our abilities to bring forth the best in the students. Extracurricular and co-curricular activities infuse and energize the students, even in virtual mode. DPS Aldico has pioneered among schools in UP, particularly Lucknow, in providing quality education despite the disruption in normal education system caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Our teachers are taking constant pains to connect to each and every student of the class in these difficult times of online learning. The various clubs for science, sports, music, Friday activity, arts, personality development or PD class are the backbone of extracurricular activities. The students are inspired by the teachers who have an in-depth knowledge on the topics of the syllabus. DPS Aldico holds national level exams such as NSTSC, Olympiads and of various subjects and such others which help to enhance the competitive level and spirit of the students. The school provides ample opportunities for students to learn robotics, artificial intelligence, animation, performing arts, co-curricular activities which not only enhance the intellectual growth of the students but also open up new horizons for them to aim for and cherish lifelong. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Tejas Raj from class 10 DPS LDCO, and today I am in front of you to talk about my school DPS. I think that I am extremely lucky that I got the chance to be the part of DPS for 7 years, and the journey has been fantastic. First of all, talking about the teachers and the faculties, they are really talented and dedicated towards their work. The teachers are really hardworking. They teach in the most easiest manner so that every student can understand everything. They are really kind-hearted and are always ready to help their students in any kind of situations. Not only in academics, our school also focuses on sports and extracurricular activities, which is really important for students. Talking about extracurricular activities, our school conducts annual functions and sports days every year and Friday activities in which the last 2 periods are dedicated to some fun activities that are selected by the students themselves. Our school also have extremely talented sports teachers who can make you learn anything easily. Talking about the infrastructure, our school's infrastructure is really well developed. We have all the facilities like swimming pool, library, science laboratories, infirmary, etc. The school have 2 big playgrounds in which we can play outdoor games and many rooms inside the buildings in which we can play indoor games like chess, caroms, table tennis, etc. During these difficult COVID pandemic times, the school has never made the students feel that we are away from it. The teachers have the same energy level and enthusiasm as they would have in normal days, which in turn makes us happy and enthusiastic and makes us motivated to learn. Thank you.
Thank you, students and parents, for your words of wisdom.
Congratulations to the DPS LDCO family on Founders Day. I feel blessed to be a part of this esteemed and dynamic institution, which has given me innumerable opportunities to learn and grow professionally. Our mentors are the guiding light and the motivation behind the success of this institution. The world of children is full of wonder, excitement, and curiosity, and we at DPS LDCO have left no stone unturned to ensure that our students don't miss out of any of these learning experiences, even in the virtual mode of education, by inculcating both academic as well as co-curricular activities. Looking at the bright side of this pandemic, we have a generation of technologically adept global students who are resilient and ready to explore the world. Inculcating the right values and providing the right experience in a graded manner to the students is indeed a difficult task, but can be attained through careful and thoughtful planning. Today, as I look at the journey of our school, I can say that DPS LDCO has lived up to the test of time, and I look forward to a successful year ahead and many more to come. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening us with your thoughts on this auspicious evening.